Hey marketeers, welcome back to our channel Martech Market. In our today's video, we're going to talk about something very interesting. We're going to talk about how brands leverage psychological effect in marketing. To give you a quick example, you look at this product, it's sold at 1,000 rupees and the brand calls it best price. The chances of end customer buying this is a little low, whereas the same product sold at 999 and the brand calls it special offer, the chances of buying this increases. The reason behind this is very simple. 1,000 is a 4-digit number, looks a little heavy on your pocket, whereas 999 being a 3-digit number looks much lighter on the pocket. Now, we're going to talk about more such examples, so do not skip forward, do not fast forward this video. You might miss out on some really good example. Moving back, now why do we need to know psychology when it comes to marketing? Very simple. Marketing is all about positioning, and a customer buying decision is all basis some trigger. So this trigger is what we call as psychology. All right, let's get started. So the first psychological phenomena that we're going to talk about is anchoring effect. Now, to understand anchoring effect, it's pretty simple. It's basically the human tendency to depend on the first piece of information that they see to make a decision. Now, to give you an example of this, let's look at this product. This product is priced $290 and it claims to be the best product in the industry. Now, with just this piece of information, it's not going to be easy for a customer to make a decision whether this product is really worth $290. So this is where an anchoring effect comes really handy. So what a brand would do instead is, instead of just saying it's $290, they would first expose the customer to a price that says the real price of this product is $400, which is the anchor that they create, or which is the first piece of information that a customer gets exposed to. Then say now it is at $290. So the customer would feel this is a real steal deal. Now, to give you a more relatable example, you go to an e-commerce website and see the price of a product to be 799 rupees. The chances of you buying this product is a little less. The reason being, you're really not sure if the price of the product is right or if the quality of the product is really good. That's where anchoring effect comes really handy. So what these brands would do instead is, instead of just saying the price of the product is 799 rupees, they'll expose their customer to first piece of information saying the original price of the product is 2,799. And since it is more than 1,500, now why I'm saying 1,500 is, when any product is priced more than 1,500, people tend to believe the quality is good. That way, basis this price, the customer is going to now make a decision. Since it is priced 2,799 originally, they believe the quality is going to be good. And when they strike it off and say, now the price at which they are offering is 799 rupees, which is a 65% discount, they believe it is a steal deal and it is absolutely a right price. Now the chance of buying this product increases. So to make it even better, what brand would do is they'll add an additional information saying lowest price guaranteed. So this way, for an end customer, they believe it's a real steal deal and the chances of selling this product increases for the brand. Now, just showing this price and striking it off and showing another price is not anchoring effect. That is a form of anchoring effect where they first expose you to a number, basis that you start making a decision. So on the same lines, if you look at this example, the brand that is selling this cycle, the first cycle that they show here would be of $500. Now, basis this price, the end customer is going to make a decision. Now, the second cycle that the customer would see is to be priced $190, right? And they add a double anchor saying the original price of this product is $200 given at $190. Now, for someone who's looking at a really economical option, this price turns out to be a really good price for them. Whereas someone who's looking at quality, they move on to the third option where they see the original price to be $350 given at $332. They compare this 332 number to $500. They feel this is a real steal deal because they're getting both quality and a good price for this product. So this way, the chances of selling this product increases. Now, this is the reason why brands are, when they use an anchoring effect, they are able to sell product at a much higher price than the original price that they can sell this product at. So if you look at this example, the original price at which normally this product would have got sold would be a $200. But since they are using an anchoring effect here, where they say the original price of the product to be $600, now given a $300, end customer feel it's a 50% discount, a real steal deal to buy this product. The quality is good. So they end up buying it at a higher price. So with an anchoring effect, brands are able to sell their product at a higher price as well. Moving on to the next phenomena is what we call a decoy effect. Decoy effect is basically the tendency of a human to change their choice between two options when they are presented with a third option. Usually the third option would be inferior to one of these two options. To give you a quick example, if you go to a cinema hall and you're presented with only two options like a small popcorn or a large popcorn, the chances of you going for a larger popcorn is a little less because you feel the quantity is too much and the price is also smaller popcorn. It's a good fair deal for you. You need not spend too much from your pocket to go for a small popcorn, right? So now to push you towards going for a larger popcorn, what the cinema hall would be doing is they'll introduce a third option called medium popcorn and they'll price it very high. The price would be as good as a large popcorn. So now when they introduce this option, the large popcorn looks to be a very fair deal and pocket friendly deal. You're going to, now you feel, hey, I'm getting a lot of quantity at a very good price. So that way you navigate from a small popcorn option to a larger popcorn option. The cinema hall clearly knows you're not going to opt for the medium one, but to push you towards the larger option, they introduce this third option. That way they start earning more from you. To give you another example, you go to any of the food chains, if at all they just have two menus, one is a single burger or a burger with a combo pack, the decision making would be either a pocket friendly or appetite friendly decision. But that's where they introduce this third option where they'll simply price a semi combo pack to be a little high, as good as a full combo pack, right? So that way the full combo pack looks very cheap, very economical, and a lot of quantity is going to come for the price that you're paying. You tend to go for the third option. This is what we call as a decoy effect. Next, let us look at loss aversion effect. Basically, we as human, we do not like on missing out on something. The pain we get in losing out on something is much higher than the joy we get in gaining something. So we as marketer capitalize on this FOMO effect or fear of missing out effect. So what we do is we send out communications like limited stocks, last chance, hurry, last day of sales, etc. So let us look at few forms of loss aversion effects. We're going to talk about the scarcity part first. So if you go to any of the e-commerce website and look at a particular product, you'll have this additional information where they say only 2 left in stock, 3 left in stock. So this is where they create this FOMO effect or fear of missing out, so that they push you towards doing a transaction because the end customer feels, hey, if I don't do a purchase now, I might miss out on this product, right? Or to give you an example of Rarity, when an automobile brand launches a particular version of their car, they'll also launch a specific limited edition version of it of a particular color. So end customer wants to be a part of that small set of people who are owning that limited edition, right? So that they don't want to miss out on people owning a limited edition product of a particular brand. Or let us look at an example of urgency. So now, whenever a brand launches an offer, there would be some customer who would not be interested in participating in that particular offer. That is where, to try to create a FOMO, what they will do is, instead of just saying the offer ends at 10 p.m. today, they'll add a countdown timer onto their communication where you start then feeling, hey, the offer is running out, let me do a purchase in a hurry, right? So this is what we call as loss aversion or fear of missing out. Next, let us talk about illusion truth effect. Illusion truth effect is basically the tendency of human to believe in an information to be true when they are repeatedly exposed to that information. Actually, this information could be false, but when they are exposed to it multiple times, they start believing in it. To give you a best example of this, all those fairness cream out there capitalize on this illusion truth effect, where they make you believe over a period of time you can become fair, or fairness is going to give you more confidence. It's going to help you grow in your career. Now forget if the information is true or false. repetition is what matters here. When you're repeatedly exposed to an information, you start believing in this information. That's where brand focus a lot on repeating all their marketing campaigns. Next, let us talk about priming effect. Priming effect is basically the tendency of human to make a decision basis associating something to various other things, which in marketing we call stimuli. Now you look at this ad and horse is placed out of nowhere. The reason for showing this horse is basically horse is associated to be powerful, to be strong. So they're also showing a muscular man here. So the stimuli they are throwing here is the horse and the muscular man, so that you start believing by consuming their product, you become more powerful and more manly. So you can also look at the other example here. They're putting a lion out of nowhere because lion is associated to be the strongest animal in the jungle. So they try to prim you into believing by consuming their product, you become more powerful, more strong, more manly and stuff. Next, let us look at how priming is done with color psychology. Color psychology is basically every color is associated with some form of emotion. To give you an example, red is associated with danger or power or boldness and stuff and all. So that's where each of these brands would design their logo and associate it with a particular color to send out the emotion that they want you to associate them with. Now, to give you a better example, you go to any of the website where you can book for your vacation, most of the images they use would be of a blue background, a sky background. The reason behind this is they want to calm you down. They want you to be in a very good mindset when you come onto their website so that you make that booking with them. The next one is an interesting one. We are going to talk about serial position effect. Basically, humans tend to remember the first and the last piece of information more than the middle ones. That's why when you go to an e-commerce website, on the top, you'll always see the latest collection or the best product that they're selling or different offers that they're selling as a banner on the top. To give you a more better example, you look at this communication, this brand is talking about free and fast delivery of their product on the top. And at the bottom, they're giving an offer so that the chances of selling their product is high. Or to give you a more relatable example, you go to any restaurant, the first piece of information that you would be seeing would be a starter, and the last piece of information that you would be seeing would be a dessert. Because you tend to remember these two, they clearly know that you're there to have the main course. Chances of you buying main course is any which way is high. Now, to increase the chance of you buying more with them, they put the starter at the top so that you can add a starter to your main course, and they put a dessert at the bottom so that you add the dessert to your main course so that your total bill value increases. Or you look at this particular example by this brand. On the top, they are talking about an excellent offer, and at the bottom, they are creating a FOMO effect by saying this offer is running out shortly. So all you as a customer would remember is this brand is selling a 30% off on everything, and it's going to run out shortly. The last concept of psychological effect that we are going to discuss in our today's video is social proofing. It's basically the human tendency to make a decision or buy a product basis others' acceptance. Now let us see how marketers leverage this behavior from their customer. If you go and view a particular product on their website, you will see a section where they say how many people are viewing a particular product, how many people have bought a particular product, which product is trending. So as a customer, what you tend to believe is, hey, since so many people are viewing this product or buying this product, this is a product of good quality, good price, so let me also buy. Right? To give you more example, you'll also have certain recommendation where they say customer also bought this product along with the product that you are viewing. To give you more example, you'll have certain product tagged with bestsellers. So you start believing, hey, so many people are buying this product. These are the best sold product on this website. So obviously there's a good product for me also to buy. Or you would also see a rating section where you'll see which product has the highest rating. You'll also see certain product with a celebrity background. Idea is to tune you to believe that, hey, since this celebrity is promoting this product, the product is of a really good quality and the product that you deserve to buy. Or last but not the least, reviews on the website. They tend to show the best review on the top so that you tend to believe that this is a really good product and you end up buying it. So these are the different psychological effects a marketer would be using to ensure their customers transact with them. Hope you as a subscriber did not have the serial position effect and you remember only the anchoring effect and the social proofing. We discussed about 8 different effects. Hope these effects would be useful in your next marketing communication. If at all you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel. Have a great day. Thank you.